Hello, hello! Kumusta ang tanan? Mga amigo, diha sa tibuok kalibutan. Kumusta ang tanan? I am hoping that we are all okay. So, welcome to Hazel's Emporium. And to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming to my pram. Thank you so much for all your time. So, in this video, I am collaborating another bag from BABALA. Thank you so much, BABALA, for your generosity to my channel big time. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so time flies just like that. It was just like yesterday, it was Christmas and New Year, and here we are now on the second month of this year, and that means Valentine's month. Oh my goodness, this is the time of giving. Is it sounds right? Well, in that case, BABALA has a lot to offer you all out there. They do have a lot of good deals. So on top of the ongoing good deal for this Valentine's Day month, you can also use my discount coupon that will add on to have a little savings to your pocket. At least inflation is here, so we all have to save money. But of course, it doesn't mean that we're not going for shopping. We all deserve to have a prize for ourselves. Men, woman, gentleman, husband, son, boyfriend, you deserve to have a gift of your own. And you can also give a gift to your wife, to your girlfriend, to your loved ones. Yes, this is the right company to reach out. You do have a lot of good deals, and their product is super high quality. So all the information is below. Go please check and use my code. Alright, so before anything else, we're gonna have to do unboxing for this first. So I got the medium Di.or book tote. I can't wait to open up this. Let's do unboxing now. And please see me more in the inside of the unboxing, and I will do a try on, of course, for this. Hope to see you more in the inside, please. Thank you. Ta-da! Look at this. How beauty is the packaging, huh? Oh my god. Can't wait. Let's open up this. Ooh. Oh, look at this. What a beauty. So I got the Christian Di.or. This is medium book tote, and I got the blue embroidered. Let's take this off. Look at how beauty is this. Take this off. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. Okay, so I got this. I got the dust bag, and I have this card, and this, and I have this cute little ribbon. Okay, so let us take a look closely. Okay, so look at the Christian Di.or. It looks like in the right place. The embroidered. It really is in the right place, no? Perfect in spaces. You know, the letters, what I'm trying to say is the space in between each letters. Oh, this is beautiful. Their handle is super. So let's take a look here. I can have my laptop here. I can have my wallet. Going to work. This is beautiful. Very elegant. What do you think of this? This is awesome. I do like it. I love it so much. Thank you, BABALA. And you know, their handle is, their material is heavy duty though. It doesn't look like this is replica, but this is replica, as you all know. So I have here Christian Di.or Paris made in Italy. So I have that tag inside. What else do I got inside? I think that's pretty much everything inside. Let's try to put my laptop here. And by the way, guys, their box packaging are solid. Very great box packaging though. As you can see, there's none even ripped. It is super solid. I do love their packaging. Perfect really for gift. Let me try to put my laptop here. So I can have my laptop with this. This is 14 inches laptop. Have and this. So here this is. Beautiful though. Look at that. What I'm talking is that the Christian Di.or letter is almost of the same spaces. The letters, each of the letters. The Paris, look at that. Embroidered looks perfectly to me. Although this is a replica bag, that this doesn't look like a replica bag. Handles, super heavy duty. Material, oh my god. So, husband, boyfriend, gentleman, best friend, this is the time of giving. Give a gift to your loved ones though. What do you think of this? Perfect for Valentine's gift. So, did you have a lot of really beautiful replica bag? This doesn't look like a replica bag. For me, of my own opinion, I would rather buy this kind of replica bag. I can have more than two in a price of one in an original price. So yeah, I'm just being practical though. Why would I buy an original one if I could buy three of the one compared to the original price and this, and it has a good quality product? You should try, take a look in their website. All the information is below in this video, and you can also use my discount coupon. So please see me more in the inside of my try on. Thank you.